Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working with Unice hair. They sent me over a 5x5 HD lace closure wig in Bodywave. Here's some of the things that they included in their package for me. Here is the wig. I went on and curled it, plucked it, bleached the knots, and customized it to my liking. So I'm going to start off by spraying my cap down so it does not move underneath my wig. And you can just use any type of hairspray. And then you want to just blow dry it down until it gets firm and hard, just to make sure that that cap does not go anywhere. So I'm going to be using my even tint lace spray in light brown to tint my cap to my skin color, and I'm literally just putting it in the middle where the closure piece goes. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. It comes with combs. I did cut the combs out that were on the sides. They're just super uncomfortable. I'm just going to go ahead and adjust my straps. I'm going to be using the Lay My Lace glue by Doll by Key. You guys know, if you have been watching my channel, this is one of my favorite glues. I have it linked down below. This glue is really good. I wanted to keep this part in here to show you guys how to spread out your glue correctly. You want to dot it in the area that you need it, and then you flatten it with, you can use a popsicle stick. I just have a makeup brush. I'm using the end of my makeup brush to kind of make it flat so it can dry clear evenly. So when you lay your lace down, you want to make sure you put it right where that glue started. So you do not want to leave any glue in the front of your hairline because it just does not look good. I always prefer to add more glue if I need it, rather than having to clean up some glue that's stuck on my hairline. So I'm going to take an elastic band and I am going to tie it around the lace just to make sure everything is melted. I'm going to wait about 10 minutes. So I did over bleach my part a little bit, so I'm just going to take some L'Oreal Root Cover Up Spray, my comb, and I'm just going to fix that really quick. Now with doing this, your part can be really thin. If you do not like that look, which I don't, just take some concealer and fix your part. I did that off camera. Cutting off my lace, I'm just using some small scissors, using it in a jagged motion. And yeah, this lace is really good. This is real HD lace, as you guys can see. And I did have to go back in and add a little bit of glue to that one side because it wasn't sticking. And you just take some glue at the end of your comb, and then you just stick it right under the part that's not sticking. Wait a few seconds for the glue to turn clear, and then you just lay it right down. I was actually getting ready to go out. If you guys see me talking to my friend in the background, we were actually getting ready to go out, and I was kind of rushing because she was ready and I wasn't ready, so. So after I do my baby hair, I'm going to just tie it down with my elastic band just to make sure everything sets into place. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and make sure everything is laying sleek and flat. We don't want any lumps or bumps. We don't want any humpy helmet wigs. No 2021, okay? So the hot comb is definitely your best friend when you want to flatten everything out. And I'm just going to keep going over everything until it's to my liking. So a few of my curls fell, so I'm just going to take my Conair Pro curling iron. I believe this is a 1-inch, and I'm just going to refresh some of my curls. And after that, I'm going to take off my elastic band and see how everything is looking, and it looks really, really good.
It's so pretty. Like a fucking Barbie doll. Don't start rushing, bitch. It's fast.
Okay, guys, so it's actually the next day. I ended up going out last night, so and I was rushing, so I didn't have time to film an outro. So I woke up this morning, recurled my hair, and I just want to tell you guys a little bit more about the wig. The wig is a 24-inch Bodywave 5x5 HD lace closure wig. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's 24 inches. All the information is always down in the description bar. So yeah, last night I went out. It was kind of humid and rainy outside, so my curls like literally dropped tremendously. I actually just got done curling my hair maybe 20 minutes ago, and this is how it looks. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more layers in it. When you add layers in your hair, it makes the curl last a little bit longer. I also think it's because I probably didn't pin curl the hair. When you want your curls to last a little bit longer, layers and pin curls really do help. They originated from AliExpress, and then they have their own website. Unice is definitely one of my favorite like affordable hair companies. I especially like their Bodywave hair. It's so silky, and it just looks super pretty. I'm gonna have to put more layers in it just so my curls can last a little bit longer. I believe this is 180 density. Like I said, all the information will be down below. I couldn't find it in my email. Like I said, just add some layers, and when you curl your hair, pin curl your hair so your curls can pull down in that shape, and it'll last a little bit longer. So you look in the description bar for that discount code if you're going to purchase this wig. If you do purchase this wig, make sure you come back to this video and let me know how your experience was. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let us know so we can start a conversation in the comments. I don't delete any of my comments. I want to make sure, I always say I want to make sure that these companies are sending the same exact quality hair to the influencers and the customers. So if you purchase this hair, Let me know how your experience was down below. But I will say that you cannot buy wigs or hair from these cheaper companies and think it's going to come perfect. I am a wig maker, so I do know how to customize. I do know how to install my own wigs. Half of the reason why you guys think my hair or my wigs look so good. I did work with Unice before, but it was a shorter frontal Bodywave wig, and there were a lot of comments that said, oh, my wig didn't come like this. It's not gonna come like that. I customized my wig. I bleached my knots, I plucked it, I dyed it jet black. When you purchase from these more affordable companies, don't expect your wig to look exactly like mine, because I customize my wigs myself, and you will have to do that as well. Or you can pay somebody to customize your wig. I also have the service of customizing wigs if you guys want to check out my website. If you want to purchase any of these wigs and have me color it or bleach knots, pluck it, have baby hair, whatever you want, I do have that service on my website. I'll leave my Instagram and business page down below. So a special shout out to RoseForever for sending me this beautiful bouquet of roses. Yes, these are real roses. They smell amazing. So this company sells real roses that last you up to a year. This company puts essential oils on the roses that make them last a very, very long time. Like I said, these are real roses. It's a beautiful bouquet. This is just how it looks. Yeah, it just looks super, super pretty in my living room. It looks so expensive, so super luxurious. It is luxurious, but it is very inexpensive. So if you guys want to check out RoseForever, I'll leave some links down below for you guys. So this is a great idea for a gift, fellas. If you want to purchase your girl one of these, I'm sure she'll love it. Like, these roses, they're not like traditional roses that only last a couple of days. These last up to a year, and they smell, like I said, they smell amazing. They're so pretty. The container actually comes in an array of colors. I think I've seen like purple, blue, like a gray, I can't remember. I've seen pink. They also have all different type of color roses. They have blue, purple, pink roses, white roses. They have everything. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out RoseForever. I'll leave all the links down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.